Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent from UNice hair. All the links will be listed in my description box just in case any of you guys are interested. So they sent me over, and this is the packaging right here. I think something is in it. Hold on. So this is what it came in. They sent over some goodies, some lashes, a wig cap, an elastic band, and like a makeup brush. And it's also more wig caps, another elastic band, this cute little UNice clip. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on. And what is this? Probably like a necklace with a pendant on it. Actually, it's really cute. Hold on. It's tangly. I would definitely wear this. Look at that. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it has, can y'all see that? It has UNice on it, and then it has, is this their logo? I don't know, but that's cute. I'm gonna wear this. So that was cute. Thank you. So this wig they sent over is the 13x4 transparent lace wig. I have it in 24 inches. I don't know the density, but all the details will be listed in my description box. And it is a kinky curly texture. Now this kinky curly texture is kinky curly, like it's thick, y'all. It did come pre-plucked. I plucked it some more because it just wasn't given. And it did not come with bleach knots. I went in and bleached the knots. Now they do give you the 2 combs off to the side and the front. They also give you a comb in the back, and they give you the adjustable straps and a built-in elastic band, which is removable with a little bit of lace in the back. So I'm just going to try this on with the lace still on. And that's what the hairline is looking like. So we about to see, y'all. Fit on here is pretty nice. If you wanted to wear this glueless, I feel like you could. The ear tabs are I can't get it right. The ear tabs are a little like flappy, of course. So if you just wanted to put something right here, you could. If you wanted to wear a part in the middle, then that wouldn't matter.